You're not supposed to be scared of birds, but this one, it doesn't blink. It barely moves. And when it does, it clacks like a machine. This is the shoebill, and it's just the beginning. In the ocean, escape isn't always about speed. Sometimes it's about illusion. This is the Mimic Octopus, nature's shapeshifter. It doesn't just camouflage, it transforms. Lionfish, sea snake, flounder, whatever it needs to survive, it becomes. No heartbeat, no movement, just ice. This frog doesn't survive winter. It becomes winter. Frozen solid, eyes closed, still as stone. And then, when spring arrives, it wakes up and hops away. It floats through the forest like a ghost. Wings so clear, they vanish into the air. Predators can't see it. Sometimes neither can we. This is the Glasswing Butterfly. Delicate, elusive, almost imaginary. Deep in the forest, a bird begins to sing. But this sound isn't natural. It's a chainsaw, a car alarm, a camera shutter. This is the Lyrebird, a master mimic with a memory for noise. If it's heard it, it can become it.